Hello friends! Today in this video, I'll be using a strategy based on two precise indicators, parabolic SAR and Donchian channels, which help me make decisions based on clear signals. These indicators provide accurate entry and exit points, removing any guesswork. Let's start by setting up the tools for trading. I use classic candles and I set the time frame to 1 minute. Then go to the Indicators tab and select Parabolic SAR and Donchian channels. We'll set Parabolic SAR first. Acceleration 0.03. Maximum acceleration 0.3. Then go to Style. Set the main line to yellow and width to 2. Then click Save. Now let's set up the Donchian channels period 10. Then in the Style, turn off top and bottom. Set the background to white and set the middle line to yellow with a 2, 2, and increase the opacity to the right. Okay, then click Save. Now the indicators are ready to go. If you trade on your phone, set up everything the same way. First, set up expiration time 1 minute, and I'm opening a 1,000 sell trade. Now I'll explain in detail how to properly use this strategy. The first signal comes from the parabolic SAR, showing 2 dots above the candles. This is a clear indication of a downtrend, which is likely to continue. The second signal comes from the Donchian channels. When candles cross the middle line from top to bottom, it indicates a trend reversal from uptrend to downtrend. This crossover confirms the trend direction change, making a downward move more likely. Together, these two signals create a strong setup for entering a sell trade. And we've got a result. The first trade is profitable, earned $920. Let's move to the next opportunity. I see a clear signal, expiration 1 minute, and I'm opening a 2,000 buy trade. The chart shows a strong movement, and the indicators clearly confirm the entry point. This gives confidence in the accuracy of the analysis and direction. Previously, there was a downtrend, but now it's clear that the trend has reversed. The chart shows large green candles, a strong sign of an active uptrend. These large candles typically signal strong momentum, and given the current dynamics, I'm confident the trend will continue. All signals point to further growth, creating a great opportunity to profit. Perfect. Profit is $1,840. Let's keep going. Next opportunity. Expiration time 1 minute, and I'm opening a 2,000 sell trade. All signals are in place, and the movement on the chart strongly confirms my decision, boosting confidence in the strategy. The chart shows there was an uptrend for a long time, but now it's becoming obvious that bullish momentum is weakening. With the current dynamics and fading impulse, a trend reversal is highly likely. These signs suggest that the market may start moving downward. And all these clues tell us to be ready for the next moves and adapt to the changing market. If you still have questions after watching this video, feel free to message me personally on Telegram, and I'll be happy to help you. And another win. My balance grew by another $1,840. Let's keep going. Another strong setup. Expiration 1 minute, and I'm opening a 2,000 buy trade. The chair shows excellent momentum and the indicators fully supported, increasing confidence in the strategy and direction. We see a sideways movement followed by a breakout upward. This signal often predicts a strong trend continuation. I believe the uptrend will continue as the market has built up energy during consolidation phase, which is now being released in the form of growth. All confirmation signals suggest upward movement will continue, an excellent opportunity for profit. Great. Another $1,840 in profit, bringing my balance to $7,880. It's time to wrap this session up. Great session. I grew my balance from $1,440 all the way to $7,880. An excellent result. If you have questions about the strategy or you want to dive deeper, don't hesitate to message me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, liking the video, and subscribing to the channel. My name is Max. See you next time.